In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your Squarespace website. This integration is a powerful way to keep your marketing efforts organized and efficient by combining Squarespace's sleek design capabilities with Mailchimp's comprehensive email marketing features. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Squarespace account. Make sure you're logged in, as accessing these settings requires that you are signed into your account. Once you've logged in, you should be on your home page. From here, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. At the very bottom corner, you'll find an Options menu. Click on Settings to access a variety of tools that can enhance and extend the functionality of your website. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Third-Party Tools. This is the area where you can manage your site's integrations and link up with various external services. Go ahead and click on Third-Party Tools, and you'll notice two distinct options displayed: Connected Accounts and Extensions. For our purposes today, we'll be selecting Extensions. Once you click on Extensions, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic begins. Type in Mailchimp to locate the extension specifically designed to integrate with your Squarespace site. After entering Mailchimp and running the search, you should see the Mailchimp extension appear in the list below. Click on it to bring up all pertinent details about what this extension can do for you. At this point, it's a good idea to review these details. They provide valuable insights into the features and benefits of connecting Mailchimp with Squarespace, ensuring you're making the most out of this integration. Once you feel comfortable with what you've read and reviewed, press the Connect button. Following this, you'll encounter a series of prompts on your screen. These prompts are user-friendly and are designed to guide you through the connection process. Follow them carefully to successfully complete the integration. Typically, these will involve granting certain permissions and authorizations so that the two platforms can effectively communicate with each other. Make sure you have your Mailchimp account details handy, as you'll likely need to log in to authorize the connection. Once you've followed all these steps, your Mailchimp and Squarespace accounts should now be successfully linked. And there you have it. You've now connected Mailchimp with Squarespace, streamlining your ability to manage email newsletters, campaigns, and subscribers through one cohesive platform. This integration will help you maintain organized communication with your audience, all while enjoying the sophisticated design aspects that Squarespace has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!